Oh my God, look at this new set. Isn't it magic? I'm on the moon. I am actually on the moon. And I'm now doing the weather. Can you check this out right here? I'm on a beach, hooray! And now I'm in Colin's house. Get me out of here. And now we're back in the room into our nameless show. So good day, everyone. Check out this part picture sent in from Lee Britton. Turned on a Mazak 330M, milled on a Mazak 250MY for C F Millier in Bristol. Now, here's a few from David Bayliss. Picture 1. This has been turned on a Colchester Tornado 80 lathe, milled on an XYZ MX2 mill done at I don't know the word of it. Luddite Engineering. It's Luddite. What? These parts will hold the back end of an F4 Phantom fighter jet together. Picture 2. 2 sets of wheel casting for a pair of 7¼ gauge 9F locomotives that he has turned on his other little Tornado. And the last one for now. This is a 3 different size brass, I don't know that word, Finials for the canopy of a 2-inch scale traction engine. Once again on a little Tornado, programmed on a calculator and not some fancy CAM software. So send in your pickies of your parts and have them featured on this incredible show. Guess what, guys? We are bringing back
Tip of the week,
we head over to Paul, who isn't listening to my branding guidelines either, for his top tip at Abbey Precision.
So Gina, you'll notice that I'm muffless today here. Now we've come out without our MTD network muff, but never mind, because I've still got a cracking tip of the week for you. I'm at Abbey Precision. I'm with Christian Lloyd. Christian, we're going to talk about 0-point work holding and the advantage to it. You've got a Matsuura MX 330 here with 10 pallet stations. Can you tell us how this work holding works?
Okay, so I can basically pull this out of here, okay, and this will return back into the machine within a tolerance of 10 microns. So I can take this into inspection, get it checked, any issues I can put it back into the machine and remachine it, and then we're good to go.
When you compare this to how you would maybe have done this in the past, where you'd have had to have put the part back on the table, re-clock it up, do all of those things, you're introducing the opportunity for errors. This is a far more, well, not just a faster, a much accurate method of work holding, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. This is a far better way of machining. It's more accurate, it's quicker. We can load 10 pallets into the machine and run them all in one hit.
So there you go, 0-point work holding, Gina. Be interested to see what your thoughts are on that. That's it from me here, muffless at Abbey Precision.
Paul's not using a muff. He's wearing an MTDCNC t-shirt. And everyone, Colin did it last week, and now Paul's doing it. What the hell's going on? Okay. And no one is listening. Anyway, blast from the past. How do we want that?
Right, this is why we do Blast from the Past. We're at L&R Precision in Kedgley. This is an absolutely classic 2-axis hard-hinge machine. I'm going to do a bit of practical here, so don't panic. I've been practicing, so bill it in there, pop that in. There we go, nice. Lock the collet, all locked in. Now, turret, tools here, 8 stations. I can double up to 16. So let's move that round, index it round. There you go, nice. Now, move the axis. I won't touch this one because it's all nicely centred. I got told off by Richard earlier for moving it. So we bring that in there. Now, I'm not actually going to do this because Richard's done it for us. So watch this.
Yeah.
Full video coming soon.
It's not going in there. There. Put some coolant. Now. Bring it in. Up. Ready. Hands going in.
Now, first things, can you believe high pressure coolant? Maybe not. Do recognise that from home, but anyway, say no more. But that's it. Will you be able to tap anything as quick as that on a modern machine? Probably not. So classic blast from the past. How old is it though?
So we found a classic hard-hinge lathe for the blast from the past. Not only that, we did some tapping on it and used the high-pressure coolant. A big thank you to Richard from L&R Precision. This week on Gina Asks, I'm asking about soldering on this awesome pick and place from AMS. Check this out.
It appears that I have got the thankless task. Thankless task is a bit harsh, but I'm supposed to be educating Gina. Gina, what are we doing?
What? Am I not allowed to break? Colin,
No.
You've worked me silly for the last half an hour. I need some sugar.
Of which 20 minutes has been spent having a coffee. So anyway, moving on. We have got here, Gina, what is this?
That looks like gold, like nice gold stuff in there.
Again, right, so soldering, but it's not like your DIY solder. It controls the temperature. What about this, Gina?
A Brillo pad.
It is, it's pretty much a POS Brillo pad, basically. Cleaning your tip on there, get rid of the solder. Different tips here, different colours. So red and yellow, lead free, so higher temperature blue, and there's no white on it, but different profiles, blue and white, so with lead, so lower temperature. Now moving on here, you've got PCB, pick and mix. Now this, different components on here, if you can see those, are absolutely tiny. So basically, picking those, putting on the PCB, which I'm just going to grab there without breaking it. This will do 6,000 an hour. Now, that sounds pretty impressive, but they've got machines that do up to 100,000. So each one of those is a little component, capacitor, resistor, semiconductor. And then, last but not least, guess what this is at the end, Gina?
Printer.
No, it is. Well, this is a pick and place. In there, you've got at the end, basically a posh pizza oven. Now, I'm going to keep it basic, it is. So that's basically cooking the PCB, component manufactured. There you go, you've got your printed circuit board.
Nice. Thank you so much, Colin. I feel like, I've really learnt a lot.
Back to the chocolates, Gina. That's nothing else to say.
Anyway, Slowmo this week is on a Kitamura Mycentre HX400iF coupled with a Lang vise. So hello and welcome to Network News. Some great parts made from Kale & Co. machined on their Matsuura MX850 and Doosan, made from EN26 in a W condition. It started as raw forging. The main body is a hydraulic torque tool assembly used in the oil and gas and construction mining industries. But probably the best part about this story is that their new graduate, Harry, did the CAM programming for the Matsuura, the first time he's ever used CAM software. And one last mention goes to the tooling suppliers, Tech. Empire manufacturing like a challenge, and these parts certainly did that. These parts have a 60-degree inclusive tapered hole to a fine point. We've now reached over 600 followers on LinkedIn. We are growing rapidly, so thank you so much for your support. We recently visited Keith and the team at RK Engineering. They have purchased their new slider and wish they had done it years ago. Here's a little montage showcasing a few parts, and the team are working away. If you need big batches of precision parts, then drop them a line. They love a challenge. I love big batches and I cannot lie. So we really need your drawings. Examples of what they look like are right here. And that's it from me, so see and see you later. Too loud? Shall I tone it down? It's because this is lit content.